We got a pristine 1981 Toyota Corolla. Original paint?
Original paint.
It's your daily driver?
Yep.
Push it to the limit.
Michael, give me a few revs.
Yeah.
Drive safe. Mikey.
Delish.
Bananas, diamonds flashing like a camera. My whip sound like a monster. My bitch got on that shit.
Got Mikey jumping on that Muffy D. Mike, you handling that Muffy D?
Absolutely.
Twisted jeans.
Ow.
2021 scatpack right there. Good old Muffy D. We got the owner right here.
What's up, guys?
How long did you have this car for?
I bought it 2 days ago.
Ow. Ow.
Alright, let's hear out the sounds. Can I use you to film a gangster scene for school?
Look, I be riding through my old hood, but I'm in my new whip. Same old attitude.
I'm sure you guys heard what happens when you put Mentos and Diet Coke, but we're gonna give it a shot over here. Mona Lisa, Berto, Guillermo, G. Pour them in there, and then you're gonna close it as quick as you can, all right? Count it down, G. God.
All I see was